Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got a SR955 brand new out of the box for Thomase. Thomase ordered this radio, wanted us to set it up for him. He's going to be running it to, using it to drive his Sweet 16 amplifier. And he wanted us to set it up for him, so that's what we've done. We're going to start here in receive mode. And as you can see, we are receiving an S9. I'm going to bring it down. About negative 111 for 12 dB of sound in. Falling out about negative 124. Actually 125. Negative 125. Alright, so definitely sweet receiver on this thing. Alright, so we go to the TX side. We'll engage the turn that down. Alright, so we're engaged here, producing right about 70 watts PEP. And that's what she looks like. That's good all the way around, so we'll go out to 50 megahertz. Looking good. 125 and 300. Alright, well, Thomase, you want it clean, and that's what you got, buddy. Alright, we're gonna pause the video here, and we'll get the covers back on the radio, and we'll do an overview. Be right back. Alright, so we're back with the Stryker 955. Got a mic hooked up to her here. We're gonna modulate into it. Hello, radio 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Audio check. Hello, check 1 2. All right, Thomase. So you know, all the way up, you've got a 15 watt carrier. Let me turn this down. Make it squeal with it. Feedback. All the way down is one. It's 2 watts. 2 watts all the way down. 15.6 or so, 15 and a half all the way up. So that's where we're at. So, hello, radio 1 2 3 4, audio 1 2. Alright, so we can turn that back up. Hello, radio 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1, audio check. Hello, radio, check 1 2 3 4. Yep. Doing you a good job. All right, Thomase, we're going to get this thing in a box and get it packed up and get it out to you. I appreciate your patience on the little wait that you had for this thing, and we're going to get it out to you. So you have a good one. Be safe, be careful, and be kind. All right, coming up, I've got a few projects coming up, a few 5 pills, a 5-pill with a Cobra 2000 from my buddy AJ, and we got a 5-pill with a Lincoln coming up. We've got a 2x6 coming up, 2x12 coming up. Got a lot of cool stuff coming up. Not sure exactly when they're going to hit, but pretty soon. And we've got lots of radios that we're doing. The export radio business is really good right now. Putting out quite a few radios. People wanting good quality, clean transmission, and that's what we're providing. So, alright guys, we're going to get out of here. Got a lot to do. Y'all have a good one. Be safe, be careful, be kind. We'll catch you next time. I'm gone. Bye.